I want to talk about what I do whenever I take the dog out of the kennel and go ahead and feed them. When we feed our dogs here at Project Canine, we teach a level of calmness and assertiveness, whenever we do that. Whether it be a hunting dog, a pet dog, any kind of working dog or anything, we're going to teach calmness. And this is how we're going to do it. We teach the weight and calmness with the food bowl. See, right now, he already knows that he wants the food. There, no. Sorry about that. So we're going to go ahead and teach him that if he wants, he's got to sit, lift it up above his head. No. The second he moves forward, you have to pick it back up. Wait. 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 Yes. So what we're doing is we're teaching him that he has to wait regardless. So that way, he doesn't go after it, he doesn't touch it, he's not jumping on you. I know we showed you with Digger how to feed a dog a minute ago. Now, with your dog, most likely it'll be more like he is, hyper, jumping around, trying to figure out what to do and everything else at this point to get the food because he's hungry. He's jumping. Whenever he's going to jump now, we're going to correct it. No. Wait. Nope. Wait. No. Yes. As you can see, we need to be patient. It does take time for the dogs to get it and understand. And when they're very food motivated, as this one is. Okay, this is one of the rescue dogs that we get. Her name's Agnes. Where this is how we're going to feed her. She's not quite used to the routine yet. But we're going to go ahead and say, Agnes, no, sit. No. Wait. No. Yes. And what we're doing is slow and slow increments to where she's sitting here the whole time. We're not even looking at the food when we put it down. And she's not going for it or anything. We want to be able to take food from our dogs. We want to be able to take everything so they're not fully aggressive. They know that we're the alpha. No. Here. Wait. Wait. No. No. Wait. Wait. No. Wait. No. Wait. Wait. Yes. So we just repeat doing this periodically when we feed them. You'll want to always make them do something before you give them any kind of reward. Feeding them is a reward. They have to know that you are in control of the food. You are the alpha of the pack and of them. So that way, when you feed them, you're good, you're ready. You don't have to worry about it. You can take food from them. If a kid comes up and hits the food bowl, they're not going to attack the kid. You're transitioning all that into them right here, right now, in just simple feeding.